Bangers and mash, a pub staple. When it's done right, it's extremely tasty. For me, when it comes to sausages, they should be properly browned. And by that, I don't mean one brown line on each side. I mean all over. I would take an overcooked and browned sausage over something that looks like it's been boiled to the right doneness. So the best way to brown them evenly is in the oven. We take an oven-proof pan, bangers in. These are Cumberland sausages. Salt, black pepper, and we add some vegetable oil or any high smoke point oil. The oil will help them brown evenly. And without proper browning, you can never get the depths of flavors. And this goes into a 200°C oven, top shelf, about 30 minutes. While that's cooking, we'll slice some onions. It's perfect. And when the sausages are ready, we'll make the gravy. I'll see you then. All right, after about 35 minutes, we check on the sausages. Now that is browning. We take out our sausages to rest, and you skim off as much fat as you wish. Now for the gravy. Stove back on, onions in. Now all those burn bits at the bottom from the browning, the fond, the onion's gonna mop that up. We heat up the chicken broth. Add a bit of salt to help the onion release their moisture. Black pepper for taste. Remember the handle's hot. The fond and the browning of the sausages is what's gonna give this gravy the deep flavors and the brownish color. The steam you're seeing, that's the water content evaporating from the onions, concentrating the flavors and the sweetness of the onions. Look at this color. No need for artificial gravy browning. Now, once they start to look like French onion soup, you drizzle a bit of chicken broth or water. We're trying to develop deeper flavors. So almost treat the onions like a risotto. Add the chicken broth bit by bit. This will help the onions further caramelize. Once that's mostly absorbed, we do another round. Now, we add the rest and we make the gravy. No need for thickening. People sometimes add flour to thicken the sauce, but flour takes so much away from the flavors. I rather my sauce slightly watery. That's it. Now we can plate. Here we have some mash we made earlier. Be generous with the mash. We add these beautifully browned sausages. Now, the deeply flavored onion gravy. And we sauce the plate. And there you have it, a very well browned version of bangers and mash. I hope you enjoy.